How to make money online remote jobs. Making money online through remote jobs involves several steps. First, identify your skills and strengths, such as writing, graphic design, coding, customer service, or digital marketing. Next, create a professional resume and LinkedIn profile highlighting your experience. Search for remote job opportunities on websites like Remote.co, We Work Remotely, FlexJobs, and LinkedIn. Apply for positions that match your skills and interests. Consider freelancing on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr for more flexible opportunities. Enhance your skills through online courses on sites like Coursera or Udemy. Network with professionals in your industry through social media and online forums. Stay organized and disciplined to maintain productivity while working from home. With persistence and dedication, you can successfully earn money through remote jobs.